Welcome to a video walkthrough from Kelowna Toyota. We are located at 1624 Carey Road in beautiful Kelowna, BC, Canada, right here in the heart of the Okanagan. Today we're going to check out this super efficient 2020 Kia Niro Plug-In Hybrid. Power comes from a 1.6 liter 4-cylinder engine mounted to an automatic transmission and front-wheel drive. In the front, we've got fog lights and a nice large raked windshield, and up top we're going to find silver roof rails, and we have silver door handles and color matched mirrors with integrated turn signals. It is riding on alloy wheels, and if we take a look right there, that is where the outlet is to plug in your hybrid Kia. Taking a look inside, in the back we have seating for 3 with a pull down center console, and we can also check out this beautiful like new black leather interior. Looking up, we've got our power tilt and slide moonroof, and taking a look at the interior door, we've got our memory settings for our power driver's seat, our power locks, windows, and power folding mirrors. Right over here we're going to find our blind spot monitor, lane departure, traction control, and up here on the steering wheel on the left hand side we've got our audio controls and our hands-free Bluetooth calling. And then over here on the right, we're going to find info we can access up on the dash, as well as our adaptive cruise control. So up here on the dash, right up here in the driver assistance, we can go down and scroll through. Up here we can access our pre-collision system, lane safety, blind spot monitor, and our rear cross traffic alerts. Checking out the center console, we have a full navigation system with an AM/FM stereo with Bluetooth and Sirius satellite radio. Moving down is our climate control. We have a dual zone electronic climate control with rear window defrost and heated mirrors. And then taking a look at the center console, we've got our rear parking aid, and then right here we're going to find our heated steering wheel and our heated and cooled front seats. So let's hop out and check out what's going on around back and what we have for cargo space. So moving around to the back, we've got our color matched rear mounted shark fin antenna and rear mounted spoiler. And back here, we've got our Kia Niro and plug-in hybrid badging. To get into your trunk, you can hold the button down to unlock, or you can walk right up and you can grab the button right there and pull up. So back here we've got a nice amount of space, and right here is your plug-in charger. And like I said, these seats do fold down 60/40, so you can expand that cargo space quite a bit and have a ton of room. Thank you very much for taking the time to check out this 2020 Kia Niro hybrid plug-in. If you would like to check it out, come down to 1624 Carey Road. If you have questions that you'd like answered before making the trip, you can give us a call or find us online at KelownaToyota.com anytime to get all the details and information about this Kia, or to browse the rest of our new and used inventory. I hope everybody is doing fantastic. Please drive safe, and we look forward to seeing you soon.